Architectural visualization starts with being creative, like an artist, and using your imagination. To make the most of this creativity, we use a set of special words related to architecture. I've compiled a dedicated dataset of keywords and architectural styles in Excel format for you to utilize in your creative endeavors. In this Excel spreadsheet, I've utilized commonly used keywords to create high-quality prompts. If you are familiar with prompt engineering, this dataset will assist you in generating high-quality prompts. You can download this Excel file from the description. Let's delve into the world of Excel. Extract a selection of keywords and craft custom prompts. I've included commonly used terms such as render settings, materials, lighting, and architectural vocabulary. Feel free to incorporate your unique set of keywords and expand upon this list. You'll notice I've also included the names of various photographers and architects. This will help the AI model replicate their styles in our artistic endeavors. Now, let's witness this in action. As evident, our current outcome doesn't meet the desired standards in this instance. Consequently, I'll be switching to the Realistic Vision 5.1 AI model, known for its ability to infuse more realism into the generated images. You can download Archilab Excel and the Realistic Vision 5.1 from description. If you like this video, please do subscribe and comment down your thoughts. In that next video, we will talk about resources for stable diffusion.